So in this video, we're going to see a graph theory 1 marks question from the paper GATE 2018, and it is based on the topic of chromatic numbers. So let's see what the question is. The chromatic number of the following graph is a very simple, straightforward question. We are being given a graph and they're asking us what is the chromatic number of this graph. Now, before we start solving the question, let's quickly revise what's chromatic number. So chromatic number, as I've mentioned here, is the smallest number of colors so that the adjacent vertices are colored differently. So the smallest number of colors which we can give in a graph so that the adjacent vertices are colored differently is called as the chromatic number of the graph. For example, let's consider this graph. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. So if I use six colors, then each of the adjacent vertex will have a different color, and we are done with the problem that the adjacent vertices of the graph will not have same colors. However, chromatic number says the smallest number. We want the smallest number of the colors. 6 color is the maximum number of colors. So let's see if we can use 5 colors or 4 colors or 2 colors so that the graph so that the adjacent vertices are not having same colors. So the way to solve this problem is, let me clear this, is that you just start assigning colors to the vertices and then see how you can minimize the number of colors. So I'm going to start randomly. I'm going to start with a vertex B and I'm going to make it red. Now since vertex B is red, vertex A, vertex C, vertex D and vertex F, they cannot be red because they're adjacent to B. So I'm going to pick up a different color and I'm going to make A as, let's say, orange. So I'm going to give orange to A. Now C cannot be given orange because C is adjacent to A. D can be given orange, yes, no problem. So D I'll make orange. And now again, if D is orange, then F cannot be made orange because D is adjacent to F. And let's go ahead, let's focus on E. E also cannot be made orange because A is orange. A, which is adjacent to E, is orange. However, E can be given red. Red is at B and B is not adjacent to E. So let me mark E as red. So E becomes red. Let me make it red. Okay. And let's clean this so that there is no confusion. So C is yet not colored. F is yet not colored. Now C and F can be given different colors. So I'm going to give them blue. So let's make C as blue and F also needs to be made blue. So thus, as we can see, I have used 3 colors, red, orange, blue, and with 3 colors I can make this graph color in such a way that the adjacent vertices are not having same colors. So the chromatic number of this graph becomes 3. So 3 will be the answer.